Hello, I am Dr.Nirmal M. I work as a psychiatrist in DMHP, Trivandrum district, Kerala. I attended the training program by NIMHANS on the topic Psychosocial care in a disaster by Dr. Sathishkumar of NIMHANS. So, while we were about to join the training program, actually we were really curious like how it's going to be. It's a 5-day program and it's about a disaster and how we deal with the disaster, the victims. So like there are many other training programs or other seminars in which that they will be too much theory oriented. So if it's going to be like that, then it might be tiring. So, and also if we go to a disaster affected area, how we have to deal there. So that needs a practical knowledge, how we will get it in a seminar hall. So we were really curious and anxious how it will be. But right from the beginning, we never felt tired, we never felt bored. The training program started at 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. and we were focused throughout the training program because it was more activity oriented rather than just a Socratic method of teaching. So the participants were actively involved and the trainers were active listeners. They listened to everyone. Moreover, the participants were encouraged either to talk in their regional language, it's Malayalam, or English, whichever language they are preferring. So the participants were able to actively involve in all the activities, and it was not just activity. After each and every activity, there was a message or there was a lesson which was very crucial in dealing with a disaster. And the whole training program went through a correct order. Like they started with how to describe a disaster, the happenings in a disaster, what are the things you have to look for, how you have to start helping, whom you should care, the special population, and how you will deal the situation in a total manner, not just one aspect of the issue. Actually, there is a difference between knowing and learning. The things that were taught here, many of the things we already knew, but I learned them because even if I knew, I didn't learn because I was not having an experience. But here I was able to involve in the activities, I was able to learn it. So this is an effective method of training, I would say. So I recommend NIMHANS to continue these activities and train more individuals so that in a future we can deal disasters more effectively. Thank you.